Video 614, let's get into it. First of all, we got some monkey wrench macros down here because even though I sealed the structs that have variable names that look like this, the code still ran, even when I screwed up and referenced the wrong variable members. It's annoying. JavaScript is sometimes a pain in the ass. Okay, Purehue modulus 1530, we made a change to allow out-of-bounds values. So we're going to wrap the cell index here, and that's going to handle out-of-bounds values for us. And then also, if we're greater than 1530 with the input, we're no longer going to throw an error. This is the Hue 1530 Purehue index converted to RGB. Here's the Purehue index. Here's the output RGB. Error checking some inputs here. Shorthand reference to this function right here. And we're going to just use our kind of square sine wave, our square tooth, sawtooth, weird-ass wave function here with different offsets to the hue to get red, green, and blue channel values for this Purehue index. That's what's happening. Okay, so once we get all those red, green, and blue values, we're just going to pack them into the member red, green, and blue channels of this output RGB object, and then we're done. But we got to test it. We got to test it. So down here, HSL to RGB, don't fucking worry about it. Something happened there. I screwed something up. Okay, Purehue unit test main. So if we scroll down here, we made a mistake in the first unit test table. The fence post was off by 1 here. It's corrected. And then this is the next unit test. So we got some shorthand variables here, a nice little diagram. Here is our new unit test table. And we're doing the same exact test as last time with the same fence posts, but now we're trying to predict the expected RGB output when we run a certain function. So the number of entries in that unit test table is 21. The max index is 20. We're going to loop through every single test record, and we're going to grab the Purehue and the expected RGB value for that Purehue, and we're going to run the Purehue function on the Purehue index and get out an RGB value for that Purehue, and then just cross-check what we think it should be and what it actually is. And if that doesn't agree, we're going to end up here and we're going to crash. And that's all we're doing. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm out of time. Like and subscribe.